Okay. That's acceptable. Welcome back to the house edition. So today we're going to get started finishing up this roof. I'm going to try to get all this knocked out because we have rain this evening. So let's get started. First, we're going to start by taking off that ridge cap that I laid down. We can just go to 20 and we'll lay it out and then say, okay, I'm going to shingle. I could do it like what they did, where I shingle over so far and then I stop. Yeah, I could just put on a rug, You can add these. That one might be enough. He's hysterical, man. He is funny. He never sees it. Okay, we got all the shingle work done. Now we're going to start on the ridge. Okay, I installed these ridge caps because the cobra is only 20 feet long, so we'll just do it over there, so it'll only vent from there over. That'll be fine. So I'm going to go ahead and tar down what I need to on these shingles here, and the roof will basically be done. Got to hit a couple spots here on the ridge, and a couple spots around some of these flashings, like the fan flashing and the pipe boot flashing. So after I do that, this roof will be ready to go. Alright, so we got the ridge done, and all the shingles are tarred down. I got the one roof vent installed over there by the other kitchen vent, but I'll in the future need to install one here. But I'll just wait until I do the plumbing pipe boot. So I'll do those at the same time. So we try to do a couple dump runs, but today's a holiday, so the dump is closed, of course. So we reorganized some of the stuff in the truck, so it wouldn't be a problem driving around with it. So, in the next clip, we're going to be continuing to frame the interior walls, and we'll try to get everything ready for the trades to come in and do their job. Plumbers, and then the HVAC, and then the electrician will come in. So I hope you'll join me in the next clip, where we get back to doing the interior framing. I'll see you then.